Do you often find yourself stranded with underinflated tires, searching for a gas station air pump? A reliable portable air compressor can be a game changer, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected tire issues. These devices offer not just convenience, but peace of mind, letting you take control of emergencies no matter where you are. Let's explore 3 top contenders that promise efficiency, portability, and user-friendly features. You'll find links to the products and the latest prices in the video description. The AstroAI Tire Inflator portable air compressor is designed for quick and efficient tire inflation, delivering a performance that's perfect for emergencies and regular maintenance alike. Capable of reaching up to 100 psi, it can inflate a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 5 minutes, saving you valuable time. Its compact and durable design ensures it fits seamlessly into your vehicle, making it an essential road trip companion. The digital pressure gauge provides highly accurate readings, and the auto shutoff function stops inflation as soon as the desired pressure is achieved, preventing overinflation. For added convenience, the built-in LED flashlight is perfect for low light or nighttime situations, ensuring safety at all times. This inflator is versatile too, with multiple nozzle attachments to handle car tires, bicycles, air mattresses, and sports equipment. For the latest price and more details, see the video description. Next, we have the Airmoto Tire Inflator portable air compressor, a sleek and lightweight device that combines style with power, delivering up to 120 psi for fast and efficient inflation. This model features advanced microcompressor technology, making it capable of inflating car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycles, and even sports balls or inflatables. Despite its high performance, it remains ultra-portable, fitting easily into your glove box, backpack, or emergency kit. The digital display ensures precise pressure monitoring, while the auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation, giving you confidence in its accuracy. Its built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, making it a perfect tool for both quick fixes and longer jobs. The addition of a bright LED flashlight enhances usability in low light conditions, ensuring you're prepared for emergencies day or night. You'll find links to the products and the latest prices in the video description. Lastly, the DEWALT 20V Max Tire Inflator is a powerhouse of versatility and durability, ideal for heavy-duty use and all-around convenience. What sets it apart is its ability to operate using 3 power sources: a 20V max battery, 12V DC, or 110 VAC, giving you the flexibility to use it at home, on the road, or even off-grid. Its high-pressure rubber hose is built to last, and the threaded chuck provides a secure connection to tire valves for a leak-free inflation experience. With its intuitive digital gauge, setting your desired pressure is simple, and the auto shutoff function ensures precision while preventing overinflation. This inflator is built for efficiency, featuring onboard accessory storage to keep attachments handy, making it easier to handle any job. Compact and portable, it fits neatly into your car trunk or garage while being tough enough to handle a variety of inflatables and tools. For the latest price and more details, see the video description. In conclusion, each of these portable air compressors offers unique features tailored to meet a variety of needs. The AstroAI Inflator excels as a compact, multifunctional tool with user-friendly features and reliable performance. The Airmoto Inflator impresses with its high PSI capability, portability, and rechargeable battery, making it a favorite for travelers and adventurers. Meanwhile, the DEWALT 20V Max Inflator stands out for its versatility, durability, and ability to handle demanding jobs with ease, making it perfect for professionals or anyone looking for a robust solution. Assess your needs and pick the one that best aligns with your lifestyle. You'll find links to the products and the latest prices in the video description.